Amazon has announced that Prime Day 2023 will begin on July 11th, but you don't have to wait until then to get a good deal. The company has started to roll out a few early Prime Day deals before the two-day shopping event officially commences, including, as expected, several discounts on its own devices and services. For those 2 days, you'll get deals on everything from big-ticket items like mattresses and TVs to sports bras and sneakers. New for this year, Amazon has also launched a number of invite-only deals that include more dramatic price cuts on select TVs, laptops, mobile phones, and more. You need to register your interest in these now and wait to see if you're given access to buy them when the sale starts in July. Eligible buyers will be chosen randomly, so it's a case of crossing your fingers and hoping you get lucky. OKP Life K2 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, now $89.99, was $349.99. At a whopping 74% off, the OKP Life K2 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a steal. The unit offers 4 clean models: Auto Clean, Spot Clean, Wall Follow Clean, and Manual Clean. It also has a runtime of up to 100 minutes before automatically docking and recharging. Ring Alarm 5-piece kit, now $179.99, was $329.97. The Ring Alarm kit delivers DIY whole home security. This kit includes 1 base station, 1 keypad, 1 contact sensor, 1 motion detector, and 1 range extender. You'll receive mobile notifications when your system is triggered and can change your security modes via the base station or through the Ring app. You can also connect your Ring Alarm to Alexa, which allows you to arm and disarm your security system with your voice, as well as receive mobile alerts about the sound of broken glass or smoke alarms via Alexa Guard. 75-inch Amazon Fire TV Omni Q LED Series, now $880, was $1,100. The Omni line is Amazon's first foray into making its own televisions. This discounted 75-inch model features Alexa integration, 4K UHD resolution, HDR Dolby Vision on its LED screen, super thin bezels to maximize your viewing experience, and free games on Amazon Luna for Prime members. You'll also get 3 HDMI inputs for all your add-ons, as well as a USB input and an Ethernet input. Sony X85K, now $1,798, was $2,300. This Sony Bravia X85K series television checks the boxes for most users looking for a mixed-usage TV. If you own a next-generation gaming console like the PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X, this is great for gaming since it supports 4K resolution and up to 120Hz refresh rates with the latest generation HDMI 2.1 port. It also has exclusive features for the PlayStation 5 console to improve gaming picture quality for an already fantastic console. The 120Hz native refresh rate panel also offers smooth, fluid movement for sports or action scenes and, coupled with an expansive 85-inch screen size, is perfect for movie nights. Samsung QN90B 55-inch 4K TV, now $979.99, was $1,697.99. This TV delivers enough brightness for well-lit rooms, with smooth motion performance and richer contrast than most non-QLED TVs, thanks to its mini LED backlighting. It also has 4 full HDMI 2.1 ports and can play up to 120Hz in 4K. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, now $599, was $699. It is one of the high-end Android tablets you can buy, so if performance is your main goal, this is the tablet to get. The smallest form factor in Samsung's tablet lineup, there is still a lot of power under the hood of the S8. The sharp, clear LCD screen boasts a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and responsiveness to the included S Pen. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor works hard and battery life is solid, over 7 hours of video playback at full brightness on a single charge. The new DeX Productivity mode lets you enable a windowed mode for a more traditional Android OS experience. Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet, now $74.99, was $149.99. It's a decent entertainment companion, letting you stream video, browse the web, Get sucked into social media and make Zoom calls. It has a 1080p screen resolution, 3 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of storage. Motorola Razr Plus, now $849.99, was $999.99. The foldable, the Razr X, has a 6.9-inch screen when open and offers a 3.6-inch screen when folded, which is much larger than the 1.9-inch exterior screen on the Galaxy Z Flip 4. The foldable design unlocks different uses, including acting as its own tripod and taking up less space in your pocket. Plus, the compact puck has a cool retro vibe, while feeling futuristic at the same time. Amazon Eero 6 Plus system, now $194.99, was $354.98. The Eero 6 Plus system lets you access the Wi-Fi 6 standard and cover your home with up to a gigabit of connectivity speed. This bundle comes with 3 routers plus a Fire TV stick, 4K Max, and is the lowest price we've seen on the set. Shark RV 1001 AE IQ Robot Self-Empty, now $299.99, was $599.99. This model has a bagless self-emptying base that you won't have to empty for quite some time, as it has a claimed capacity of up to 45 days. It is easy to set up, and we also appreciate Shark's easy-to-use companion app. Shark's mapping function is also accurate, and the bagless base will save you money in the long run, as buying device-specific bags can get pricey. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, now $229, was $279.99. It's currently the best watch for Android users. While its battery life could be better, its design is durable and attractive. Its OS is easy to navigate, and its health tracking is relatively comprehensive. Samsonite Freeform Hardside Expandable Luggage, now $201, was $354. Normally, the large Samsonite Freeform suitcase alone would cost you $196, but right now, you can score it with a carry-on size for $201. They're durable, lightweight, and fit a surprising amount of clothing thanks to the expandable sides. Insignia 43-inch class 4K UHD SmartFire TV, now $159.99, was $299.99. Here's your chance to pick up this 43-inch Fire TV for its lowest price ever. It boasts over 6,700 5-star reviews and comes with all your favorite streaming services built right in. Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, now $65.49, was $139.99. If it's noise-canceling earbuds you're after, Amazon has already halved the price of these Samsung Galaxy Buds. Changing tracks or pausing your audio can be done easily by simply tapping the buds while they're still in your ear. Charging can be done wirelessly too, with just 5 minutes providing an hour of playback. You'll get a solid 21 hours of playback once they're charged fully. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2, now $71, was $139.99. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 offer customizable sound, good ANC, and a comfortable fit. They've also got great functionality with the Galaxy Wearable app and wireless charging. They charge super fast and can be topped off using PowerShare when they're running low on battery. Ninja Food Dual Zone Digital Air Fryer, now $199.99, was $249.99. Room enough for up to 6 portions, it's a wise pick for big households. 2 drawers allow you to cook different foods simultaneously, while 6 cooking functions include baking, dehydrating and roasting, and more. Garmin Venu Sq smartwatch, now $119, was $199.99. Garmin's sleek Venu Sq smartwatch offering up a bright color display and optional always-on mode. There are more than 20 preloaded sport apps to track your activity, including running and golf, and you can monitor your health and well-being right from your wrist. Notifications are supported too, so you can see all your calls, texts, and social media nudges on your wrist. iRobot Roomba i3X Evo, now $449.99, was $549.99. Save time for your other daily tasks and let the iRobot Roomba vacuum your home for you. It can learn the layout of your rooms so that you can either set a schedule or guide it to clean a specific area of your home whenever you're busy. Its multi-surface brush works with a variety of surfaces, and it's also a great option to pick up pet hair. JBL Xtreme 3, now $279, was $379. For the days that you want to head to the beach or pool this summer, a waterproof speaker can soothe your worries about getting your electronics wet. With 15 hours of playing time, you can take this speaker on a day trip without letting the battery run low. The carry strap also comes with a built-in bottle opener, which will come in handy if you forget to pack one. Beats Solo 3, now $129, was $199.95. The Beats Solo 3 offers wireless Bluetooth and NFC connections. Plus, you get about 40 hours of use per charge. A 5-minute charge gives you juice for about 3 hours of playback. Powerbeats Pro, now $189.99, was $249.95. The Powerbeats Pro are one of the best wireless earbuds on the market, featuring a 9-hour battery life, water resistance, well-balanced sound, and a comfortable yet stylish design. They deliver excellent sound and seamless iPhone integration in a low-profile package. Acer Swift X, now $899, was $1,069.99. The Acer Swift X is a laptop that packs all the necessities for a workday. It is designed to please someone who wants enough oomph to get them through the workday. This config features a 14-inch 1080p LCD, AMD Ryzen 7 5825U CPU, 16 gigabits of RAM, 512 gigabits SSD, and an RTX 3050 Ti GPU. When shopping on Amazon Prime Day, it is tempting to grab loads of items. However, how can you make sure you're getting a great deal? Our tips will help you find the best discounts on Amazon Prime Day. You need to research the items you want and find the lowest prices available. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.